Hey everyone, so before we begin with our video, we would like to make a small request. Kindly subscribe to our channel and like the video if it helps you, and also share it with your friends who may benefit from the same. So as the title of the video suggests, we're going to be controlling the speed of a DC motor by changing its field current. So you'll need a power GUI block initially, and you need to make it to discrete mode. You'll need a DC machine. So basically there are three terminals of this on either side. So TL, you'll have to give a constant block, which you will, and you'll have to provide a voltage source across the machine, DC voltage source, since it's a DC machine. Let's rotate it, and the positive goes to the positive terminal, and you'll need an RLC branch to connect, and you need to convert this into a resistive branch, and you can connect it in series with the field winding. So it's essentially a shunt motor. You don't need a current measurement because you can the DC machine block itself will give you the current values. So you need a display to look at the outputs. You need a constant block, like I had mentioned, to make the motor run. Now you need a bus selector because to select the number of our measurements from the DC machine. So we'll select field current, armature current, and the speed of the motor, because we need to see how the speed varies with the armature current and the field current, and we'll control the field current by varying the resistance in the shunt resistance, that is in parallel, that is in series with the field winding. So we'll just name the display block so we don't get confused. So now let's run the simulation and see the values. I don't think, no, we won't need a scope, so we'll just continue with the simulation. So as you can see, the value of speed, we'll make it 230 volts. Now we'll change the value. So now the armature current values changes, the field current value also changes, so the speed also changes. But that's not what we want to do. We want to change the resistance. So by increasing the resistance, so as you can see, the value of speed also increases. That's because the field current reduces. So now let's change the resistance to 7 ohms. We're reducing the resistance now. So as you can observe that the speed is 137 radians per second now, and the armature current is 0.59, and the field current increases. So having changed the resistance to 20 ohms, we observe the speed to be 144 radians per second, and the armature current also increases. So this is the relationship between the field current and the speed in a motor. So we hope you like this video, and we hope you found it useful. So subscribe to us if you would like to see more of our content, and share it with your friends if you think they would benefit. And also check out our other videos. Thank you.